We just received a glowing review from someone who's thrilled about our top-notch 5-star service. It makes us proud to share such great compliments with everyone now. We're always thrilled to hear about a happy experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star top-shelf services to each and every individual. It's great to receive positive feedback since it's a fantastic confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. So if you're seeking a company that's focused on great satisfaction and high-quality service, we're your choice. We're confident that you'll walk away very satisfied. Call the number on your screen or visit us online. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.